like it?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's a police car section.
What?
It's a police car.
Police car?
Yeah.
Oh, how nice. Come on, open it, open.
The other one?
And the other one.
Wow.
Wow, what's that?
A gun.
Say thank you to Tita Jen.
Thank you, Tita Jen.
And then thank you also Tito Juban.
Thank you also, Tita Juban.
And Tita Karen and Tito Sherwin for the pahabol gift.
I cannot know that.
I cannot do that.
Wow, so cool.
So cool.
Can I open this?
Yeah, for sure. That's yours. For sure.
Ha? Me?